because I just can't live my life based upon what other people think about me. So I can't concern myself too much with what other people think. You know, it's just not healthy. I don't think I could continue to do what I do if I was constantly worrying about what somebody thought about.
So many drugs at my disposal. So much access, it seems like I'm supposed to. Guns in my neighborhood. Marches can't save us, information could. If the information good, walk around Satan's hood. You annihilate the good. A biter, I'm a writer, call me big, I'm a lighter. What I spit is just fire. Ask the choir and inquire. They tell you my desires ain't money or a bitch. If I'm rich, I could buy her, plus I seen her on a flyer. Sorry love, I'm not inspired with the bands that you do, she retired. You caught up in the web like internet providers. He sold crack to buyers, baby diapers, baby lions, baby tigers. I pen like Amy Myers. Intrigued by the mystery, I'm caught up in conspiracies with patterns of history.
Get the feeling. Get the feeling. Get the feeling. Not the vibe. The vibe. Get the feeling. Get the feeling. Not the vibe. The vibe.
Bye.